Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to scrape your games and install a theme in ESDE. This is going to be simple and beginner friendly. I'm not going to go deep into advanced settings, just the basics to make your setup look clean and professional. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start with themes first. From the main menu, press Start. Go to UI Settings, then select Theme Downloader. Now, if this is your first time opening it, you'll see a message saying it needs to download the theme repository. Go ahead and select Proceed. The first time will take a little longer because it's downloading the full theme list. After this, it will be much faster in the future. Very important, do not cancel the download while it's running. Once it finishes, you'll see a list of available themes. Scroll through and pick one you like. For this video, I'm going to choose just one theme to keep it simple. After it installs, back out to UI Settings Theme. Now select the new theme you just downloaded. And just like that, your entire interface changes instantly. That's it. Super simple. Alright, now that we installed our theme, let's make the games look good. Right now, if you open a system, you might only see plain text, just the game names. No artwork, no descriptions. Let's fix that. From the main menu, press Start. Go to Scraper. I recommend using ScreenScraper. It's one of the best sources for artwork and metadata. If you don't already have an account, I'll leave the link in the description below so you can create one for free. After entering your login information, go to Content Settings. This is where you choose what you want to download. In my case, I'm downloading everything except game manuals. Under Scrape these systems, select All Systems. Then go back and select Start to begin scraping. Now just let it run. Once it finishes, go back to your game list and you'll immediately see the difference. And just like that, your ESDE setup looks clean, organized, and way more professional. We installed a theme, scraped the games, and didn't touch any complicated settings. Simple, clean, done. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe. I've got more ESDE and retro handheld content coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.